This is 2016 new construction, and this is the dryer vent. As you notice, the dryer vent is composed of smooth-walled metal pipe. In 2005, there were close to 14,000 home fires caused as a result of improperly installed or maintained dryer vents. So in IRC 2009, they restricted the length of a dryer vent to 25 feet. 2.5 feet were deducted from that length for every 45, so there you have 2 of them. That's 5 feet to be removed from the length. But also they required a smooth-walled vent that would not collect lint. And you can see this one is well installed. There's yet a cover to go on here. To receive it, I want to go back to the top. You go all the way up, there's again 145 there and 145 before it exits the house. Nicely done. Come back down. Hopefully, as more and more dryer vents are upgraded, we'll be getting rid of the flex, which tends to collect lint.